If you've ever wondered how your KDP pricing works in other Amazon marketplaces like the UK, Germany, or Japan, here's something I did not realize at first. And it might surprise you too. When you set a price on Amazon.com, KDP automatically converts that price into local currencies for every other marketplace. So, for example, if you choose $11, it will calculate the equivalent in euros, pounds, yen, and so on. But here's the part I did not know. You are not stuck with those converted prices. You can actually edit each one individually. So if the euro version ends up as something awkward like 10 euro and 1 cent, you can change it to 9.99 or round any of them however you want. It's super useful if you're selling internationally and want those prices to look cleaner or hit more natural price points. Also, keep in mind that in some countries, KDP includes VAT or value added tax in the list price. So your royalties might be a bit lower there unless you adjust the price accordingly. To do this, you just go to the rights and pricing section of your book and scroll to the marketplace pricing list. You will see editable boxes right next to each other. And if you're still working on your book layout or cover, I will drop the tool I personally use down below. It helps me format everything faster so I can focus on the fun stuff like this one. The tool I'm referring to is called BookBolt. It is an all-in-one platform for designing your covers and interiors, finding good keywords, and researching profitable niches. They even offer a 3-day free trial with no credit card needed, so you can test everything out first. The research tools are especially helpful. You can see what types of books are actually selling, get keyword ideas, and find underserved niches, which makes your book way more likely to stand out. And inside a BookBolt Studio, you will get drag and drop design tools, pre made interiors, and tons of fonts and graphics. Everything is royalty free and made for publishing. And if you're planning to make puzzle books like word searches or mazes, this part is super underrated. You can literally generate puzzle pages in one click and customize everything. I've linked it down below so you can check it out. Honestly, BookBolt saves me hours of work, especially when I'm publishing books consistently. So if you're just getting started, it's definitely worth trying.